What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to use your Keurig. Those of you who don't know, Keurig is a coffee maker, single cup, and options like 10, 8, 6 ounces, power button, and it'll even tell you when to descale the machine. Turn it on by pressing the power button. It's got a water reservoir in the back. Here's where you add your water. Goes in through the top here. You open this up. Insert your K-cup. It's filled with your coffee. Black Rifle. Only the best. You shut said machine. Take your coffee cup. Place it under. And voila. Let's do 6. Just as why not? Now, occasionally, on older models, you would have to actually wait for it to warm up before it was ready. But with this model and probably newer, I've not used any of the others, you can legit just turn it on, press the button, and there's your coffee.